So first of all, very good evening everyone. Today we are going to discuss a topic, do students need recess? Okay, as a debate or group discussion like topic. So I am inviting some students. Students, please come on the stage. Okay, so we will do this conversation one by one. Okay, first I am inviting Shrey. Please come on the stage, and Harshit Yadav. Please come on the stage. So we will do a conversation on a topic, do students need recess? You both just wait. Okay, Shrey. So first you will let what is the mean of recess, okay, and you will tell do students need recess and why.
So the means of races is to take the rest in the lunch break.
Harshit.
Yeah, recess are very important for the student because the students need some time to eat their lunch and for their relaxation because students do continue study in school, so in colleges, so they need rest for some time for 10 to 20 minutes almost.
Okay. So just complete or continue this topic.
So in my opinion, do students need races because it is necessary because when we feel tired, so we need rest, and after this we feel better and we can do a study more better than.
You both are agree means do students need recess?
Yeah, we are agree with this. Yeah, yeah, we are agree with this, and I'm also agree with Shrey's points. And I want to say that in races, students have to take rest and eat their food properly.
So Shrey, you will add 5 advantages of races in schools.
So first we can feel better, means we can comfortable in this, and we can do our work more better after taking rest, and we can calm our mind, and we can just make ourselves more comfortable and fastest. That's all.
Harshit, you will also add the 5 advantages of races.
So we first one is that we get the full time to eat our lunch properly. Second is that it gives us a small break in between the studies, that our mind is fresh and it works properly. Third one is that it will give more energy to us, and we will do our work properly. And fourth one is that we get refreshment from a small break. And fifth one is that it is very good for our health also.
Very good. So next, Divyansh, please come on the stage. So Divyansh, I am asking to you, just can you please let me know, are you agree with this topic or just do students need recess is a good or bad? What do you think about it?
Yes, I am fully agree with both of points, and it is also necessary because it is only time in school when we take our lunch, and in this time period, if we want to fill our water bottle, and if we want to do some other work, so we can do, because in between the class, teacher are not allowed that we can go outside in the class, so in rest we can go. So this is good in my opinion.
So Shivansh, you will let us know about, is there any disadvantages of recess?
Yes, there are some disadvantages of races, like student eat food, and sometimes they feel lazy in our lecture. Uh, and second one is, in the races, some student don't eat food, but they play in races. And
So next, I am Harshit. I am asking to you. So should races allow for only college students or not for school students?
No, sir, races should allowed to the school students also, because in schools and college there is same thing in which we can study, and if the student do continuously study, so they need a break to refresh their mind, and also they should and also they have to eat their lunch and enjoy, so they can take the help of rest in which they can enjoy fully, and they, and then in lecture teachers don't allow us to talk with our friends. In the recess we can talk our friends and refresh our mind, so it is very useful for school students also.
So next, Samyak, if your school will not allow races, okay, so what will you do?
So, if my school will not allow races in my school, so I will manage. I can manage by asking to my teachers that I can do something special, like I can do enjoy with my friends, because you are not allowing us races. So that's why I will ask them to think, and I also eat lunch.
Okay, good. So Tejal, you will let me know, means what should the perfect time for the races for the school or college students?
We can say, like, in our schools also we having a particular time which is lunch, in which we can do our lunch and we can talk to our friends. So if they want some advice from students, so I think that they should give races to students when they are doing activity or they are coming from sports, so they get tired, so they need to eat something, so they should give races at that time. Or they should give races when it is a long period of time, like they have attended 5 periods, so they should get a break time.
Okay, so good. The next question for Manvi. Actually, if students will, schools will allow 2 races in a school time, so what do you think about it?
So in my opinion, it is good. Like if there are more, if the teachers take if the teachers take so many periods, and on that time student need rest. Like firstly, after 3 to 4 periods they take rest, and after more than 2 to 3 periods they also take rest. So it is good for them, because if we are taking rest and if we are taking a break, so our mind work properly, and we can study more easier in a way. And because whenever we take rest, our mind is freely from everything, we can do some things which gives us relaxedness and more energy to.
Good. Next, Ishika, the question for you. If teachers allow 10 minutes relaxations after every or each period, so what should you think about it? Or what have an idea about it?
Yes, it is okay, and I will manage. Sir, what you say?
If teachers will allow 10-minute recess after or each period.
So it's okay that every student take rest after a period, and they can feel and they can focus on study properly.
So, Paridhi, you will let me know. Can races discontinue the study of the students?
No, sir. The races do not discontinue means it discontinue, but for a very short time. Like the periods are mainly of 40 to 45 minutes, but the races are of 20 to 25 minutes. So they do not disturb the study too much, because when races the students feel so refreshed after the races.
Very good. So, Harshvardhan, you will let us know about, means if the school or college will not allow the races, okay, so means what will happen?
So according to me, if a school or colleges don't allow races, so it's a very big impact on students, because every student needs rest after 3 or 4 period, and
and if their school time is 8 o'clock to 3 or 4 o'clock, so they have to take double lunch, every school have to give permission of recess, and they have to give around 30 to 40 minutes. So I am fully that's all.
So is there any disadvantages in your mind related to this topic, means do students need recess?
Some disadvantage of the rest, like student did not lunch and did play, and student gave other big student classes and fight to each other and played run to school, so he
Okay, no issue. So Siddharth, just tell us about this topic, do students need recess? What do you think about it?
So yeah, students need recess because in school they always study, and they only get 15 to 30 minutes rest and doing lunch, and they can talk to their friends.
So Purvi, just tell the 5 advantages of do student need recess, or if student need recess.
It is good for it's good for them. It is help them in focus on their study, and refresh their minds, and
So Yashraj, what activities can be performed by the students in the recess time?
so many activities are performed by students in the recess time, like they are playing and gossiping with each other, and some students also play sports, and some students only eat their lunch in recess, because they have to take almost 30 minutes for lunch. That's all.
So Kush, some parents are not allow lunch for their kids or students, or actually in that case, means what happened, means if school will allow the recess to 45 minutes or 30 minutes, what will they do?
So if some parents will not allow their students to that lunch, because they want that their child eat fresh and warm food, which is helpful in our health, and if a school allows 40 more time rashes, so it will affect to, if it will also affect to children, that they will eat lunch very fast and will play all time.
So Christy, my questions for you. Actually, some students are means not much use the recess time. They just make a noise in the classroom and they just fight with their friends and all. Means this type of activity they do. Means what do you think about it?
So I think that the recess and lunch or break time are the main time in which in that time we can do rest and also have our breakfast or lunch, and it is the time in which we can have some energy and also do a bit rest, because all the students take classes and they get a bit tired after taking them, and I don't think that the student who makes a lot of noise, and I think that they should have their lunch, because when they if they don't have their lunch, so in the classes they do a lot of means problems they have.
So Aradhya, what activities would you like to suggest some students or some college or schools for the recess time?
Some activities such like that they can complete their incomplete work which they want to complete. Otherwise, they could go in the fresh air and take some breath, because while taking the classes we are too much tired, and we are in need of some fresh air. So they could go in the ground and take fresh air, or they can do something else.
Okay, so it's an very good. topic and good discussion by all the students. And if you do you have any other point? Okay, no issue. So we have completed this topic here. And actually in my opinion, personal opinion, is that schools and colleges means they should allow recess for the students. Actually in the recess time, some students are not able to take continuous classes, or means they just have rest and all. So means they just take the lunch box and they just take the breakfast. So that's why schools and colleges allow recess for the students and as well as teachers also. Okay, so please do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel, and good day.